Shechmait Shechpachwai in Mimaima Atawid Maatinma, Winik Shash Erica Grenlos, Washnash Yakima Kukavelkanik, Kudkun Chash Itchishkin Sinwitpa, Washnash Skulitsa, Education Ki, Chwimit Chao, Skulipama Pa Ulikan Pa, Ikuk Iwa Shech, Ichi Iwa Sinwit Ichna Skuipa. Good morning, good afternoon, my beloved people. My name is Erica Grenlos. I am from Yakima and Colville. I work with the Yakima Nation Language Program as their former intern. I go to school at the University of Oregon studying education, currently in my second year. Today is a good day, so here's your word of the day.
Lawish qishet you be eclipsed. Al chaych I lawish qishet yuta. The moon will be eclipsed.
Anach achimash kainata. See you soon.